Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install or download Monitor Your Weight app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search Monitor Your Weight. You can find the app Monitor Your Weight by Hussein Al Bustan on the top. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy monitoring your weight for your fitness journey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.